AllCoastLawncare.
Let's talk about townhomes, duplexes, all right? Because I think somebody's under the impression I don't do townhomes. Well, somebody told me on one of my videos that townhomes, I don't think no one will do a townhome for $50 where I'm at, you know. And I told them, well, sir, that's my standard rate, you know, no matter what. But I'm telling you right now, y'all, you could make money doing townhomes, okay? The last area I lived at when I first started, I was doing duplexes. I did like a street of duplexes, man, all down the road. And I was charging $25, you know what I mean? That's why I started. I thought I was like, they're haggling, man, too, you know, man. First I was at 35. Oh, that's too much. The last guy did 25. Okay, I'll do 25. You know what I mean? One person I did 20, you know what I'm saying? That was my first time starting, y'all. But I'll go back. I would do like the minimum $40. All right, you know what I'm saying? But I didn't know nothing about quoting, okay? Anyway, y'all, but yeah, you could make money, y'all, like, cause that street that I had well, 1.8 duplexes already town, the same thing. Duplex townhomes, I think they're the same. I had 8 on that one street. And it was so cool because two of them were like next door, like connected to each other, and one was like the next unit. So I got the edger. I edged their part of the driveway, their part of the driveway. I walked over there. I did their part of the driveway. I got the mower. I mowed their side of the house, their side of the house. I drove over to the other unit. I mowed their part. Okay, that was 25, 25, 25. All right. Also string trimmed, and then blew off the debris. Okay. And so that was like $75, y'all, and I did each part like in each section I could do within like 20. If I was to do like one by itself, I could do it like within maybe like 15 minutes. That's how fast I was. All right, so that was like what, 25, 25, and 25, $25 at 15 minutes each, you know, each unit or each duplex. That's 3 duplexes. That's 45 minutes, y'all. All right, so that's $75 in 45 minutes, you know what I mean? So you could make money fast, you know what I mean? If you have the duplexes or townhomes on the same street, okay? Keep that in mind. That's what will work, okay? Hey, if you see a street of duplexes, you know what I mean, for the next lawn care season, have like a little advertising campaign. Just set out flyers and just put them on all their doors. All right, do that for like about every 2 weeks until they get the picture. And you can put on there, I have made some door hangers. I'll put on there, ask for the next door neighbor rate. Okay, people are like, hey, what's the next door neighbor rate? Oh, I'll take $5 off. You know what I mean? If your next door neighbor, immediate neighbor, like wants to use our services. Oh, great. It only happened with one customer, you know what I mean? Because I had them like, I had 2 of them like that, you know what I mean? Then they're like scattered, you know what I'm saying? But the thing about that is, like, if you give them the next one, that $5 off, and a person that wanted to do lawn care with you, that they used to get the $5 off, what if they don't want to do lawn care anymore with you? Now you're stuck with that person with that $5 off, you know what I'm saying? So just gotta keep that in mind, y'all. All right, but hey, that's integrity, customer service, you know what I mean? You keep your word. If you tell them $5 off, they're $5 off for the rest of the season. But that's on you, you know what I mean? But yeah, you could make money doing townhomes and duplexes, okay? It don't gotta be $50. It could be $40. You know what I mean? You know, that's still a good deal. $40 to mow their grass. You know, like, do they have an edger? Do they have a mower? Do they have a string trimmer? Do they have a blower? No, they don't. That's why they're calling you, okay? All that stuff costs money, but they're calling you. You know what I'm saying? So that's a good deal, y'all. $40 for a townhome or a duplex. You know, hey, just remember what is your time worth, okay? But let's throw a number out. Let's say $30, okay? And you got like 8 townhomes on one road. What's 30 times 8? Is that $240? And it takes 15 minutes per townhome. Was that 30, 60, 2 hours? $240 in 2 hours. Did I do that math right? 8 units takes 15 minutes at $30. That's $240 in 2 hours, y'all. Okay, that's about right. That's good math. Hey, You see, so you could make money, y'all, as long as you have all of them on the same street. You know what I mean? You just go back to back, knock them all out. All right. If you had to hook up a trailer to drive a little bit further down, a couple of units, townhomes, duplexes, because your trailer's getting too far, because you're just like going boom boom, like door to door to door with your equipment. Hey, sometimes you got to get back in the truck, drive a little bit forward, and then knock out the rest. But hey, that's enough with that, right? So I showed you the little thumbnail. Okay, that's like a little example, all right? But on a thumbnail. But anyway, y'all. Hey, God bless. Have a great day, and see you on the next video, okay? So right now, I'm still waiting for this guy to give him the okay for the quote. And he hasn't. Alright, so time is money, y'all. So what do? Do I leave and move on to the next yard? And tell him, hey, sir, I had to take off, sir. You know, I ain't gonna get back. I ain't gonna be able to get. The next time I'm in this area is Thursday. Alright, that's the next time I'm in this area is Thursday. Okay, I can still stick with the $80 quote. The grass isn't that high, but I don't got time. Like I gotta do 3 more yards, and I gotta go home. I'm trying to take my boy to the dentist. You know, so decisions, okay? I was just good about owning your own lawn care business or side hustle. You can do what you want to do. If they want to like make you wait, well, you know what? I'm gonna take off. You know what I'm saying? And if you lose them, you lose them. But you know what? If you're real good, you're gonna keep on getting calls or emails from your Google page, and you're gonna keep on getting referred. Okay? Hey, y'all, there's grass everywhere, y'all. People are gonna keep calling you. Okay, so don't get discouraged. But time is money, y'all. I've been here for a while. He said, but you know what? Let me give him 5 more minutes. I'm gonna give him 5 more minutes, all right? Because that's good customer service, all right? All right, let's see what happens.